Hello boys and girls, welcome back. We're going to have a look at another Jolly Phonics sound, a new one. It's a very nice one. Let's have a look at all the sounds we already know. Action and sound. We're going to go quickly. I, Z, z. Oh, oh, oh. B, b, b. Or. L, l, l. R, r. E, e, e. A, D, 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 D. E. O, O. E. Very good. Okay, let's go to our new sound. Look at it. The big one and the small one are the same. How do they sound? Look how they sound. W, 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 w. Let's say.
I see the clouds moving, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong.
W. Let's have a look at how we write it. How do we write the w? Magic fingers. Down, up, down, up. Very easy. Down, up, down, up. Perfect. Down, up, down, up. Now let's read a word with the w in it. How many sounds are here? How many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. How do we read 4 sounds? On our head. Well done. Let's go. Look at the sounds. Let's read. S, w, I, s, w, I, s, w, I, sweet, 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 swim, swim. We love to swim. Yes, we do. Wow. Who can tell me how many sounds are here? How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. What do we call this one? 2 sounds the same. We only say it one time, and it's called double trouble. Double trouble. So we only say it one time. 1, 2, 3. On our arms. Let's go. W, e, l. W, e, l. W, l. W, l. Well. Well. Are you well? Let's go to the well for water. Well. Okay. Let's go back and have a look at our picture. Who can think of a word that starts with the w, w, w? What can you say? Very good. Look at the wind. Wind. What else? Weather. The weatherman like we have. Water. Yes, there's lots of words with the what. Let's sing one more time.
I see the clouds moving, what, I see the kites flying, what, I see the trees bending, what, the wind is blowing strong.
Beautiful singing. What? Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.